Modern cars are loaded with technology that looks amazing in advertisements. But a lot of these so-called premium features are secretly destroying reliability, increasing maintenance costs, and reducing vehicle lifespan. According to multiple long-term ownership studies, repair costs on newer vehicles can be up to 35% higher than older models because of the extra electronics, sensors, and complicated systems built into them. Cars from the 1990s and early 2000s regularly crossed 250,000 to 300,000 miles because they were simple, mechanical, and easier to repair. Meanwhile, many modern vehicles begin developing major problems before 100,000 miles because they are overloaded with unnecessary complexity. Today, we are going to reveal the car features that quietly destroy reliability and lifespan, and show you why simple cars usually last much longer. Let's start with one of the biggest car's reliability destroyer. Feature number 1, Auto Start-Stop System. One of the biggest reliability killers in modern cars is the automatic start-stop system. This feature shuts the engine off every time you stop at a traffic light or in heavy traffic, then restarts it when you release the brake pedal. Car companies claim it improves fuel economy by around 3 to 8%, but many owners never notice enough savings to justify the extra wear. The reason this system hurts reliability is because every engine start causes wear on the starter motor, battery, flywheel, and even engine bearings. Normally, a car might start 2 or 3 times a day, but with start-stop technology, that number can jump to 50 or even 100 starts in a single day if you drive in city traffic. That means the starter motor wears out faster, the battery gets weaker sooner, and the engine spends more time without full oil pressure during repeated restarts. Many modern cars with start-stop systems require expensive AGM batteries that cost much more than regular batteries. That is why many drivers choose to disable the feature every time they start their car. Feature number 2, Continuously Variable Transmissions, or CVTs. CVT transmissions are marketed as smooth and fuel-efficient, but they are one of the biggest long-term reliability risks in modern cars. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions that use physical gears, CVTs rely on belts, pulleys, and friction surfaces to change gear ratios continuously. This design helps improve fuel economy by around 5 to 10%, but it often sacrifices durability. Many mechanics report that CVTs begin showing problems around 80,000 to 120,000 miles, especially if owners skip transmission fluid changes. Common symptoms include slipping, delayed acceleration, whining noises, and sudden failure. Repair bills are often extremely high because many CVTs cannot be rebuilt easily, meaning owners often have to replace the entire transmission. Replacement costs can range from $4,000 to over $8,000. Traditional automatics often last 200,000 miles or more with proper maintenance, which is why many long-term car owners avoid CVTs completely. Feature number 3, Downsized Engines and High-Pressure Turbos. The trend of downsizing engines has replaced the reliable 3.5-liter V6 engines with tiny 1.5-liter or 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engines boosted by massive turbochargers. On a spec sheet, these engines look brilliant because they provide high torque at low RPMs, but the physics of brake mean effective pressure tells a different story. To make a small engine move a 4,000-pound SUV, the turbocharger must cram immense amounts of air into the cylinders, creating internal pressures and temperatures far beyond what a naturally aspirated engine faces. A turbocharger itself can spin at speeds exceeding 200,000 revolutions per minute, reaching temperatures of 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And this extreme heat eventually cooks the engine oil into carbon deposits, that is known as coking. When that turbo eventually fails, the replacement cost typically ranges from $2,500 to $5,000. Feature number 4, Electronic Parking Brakes. Electronic parking brakes may look modern and convenient, but they create a lot more problems than traditional handbrakes. Older parking brakes used a simple cable system that was cheap, reliable, and easy to repair. But modern electronic parking brakes use electric motors, sensors, switches, wiring, and control modules. If any of these parts fail, the brake may not release properly or may refuse to engage at all. In some cases, drivers have been stranded because the brake stayed locked even though the car was running normally. Repair costs can be shockingly high because replacing the electric motor or control module is much more expensive than fixing a simple cable. What used to be a quick and cheap repair can now turn into a several $100 job. This is another example of a feature that adds complexity without adding long-term value. Feature number 5, variable displacement or cylinder deactivation. Cylinder deactivation, often branded as AFM, DFM, or VCM, is a clever way for large engines to mimic small ones by turning off half the cylinders during highway cruising. However, the mechanical complexity required to achieve this is staggering. It involves specialized oil pressure-driven lifters that can physically disconnect from the camshaft. These complex lifters are notorious for failing, often collapsing and causing catastrophic top-end engine damage that costs upwards of $3,500 to rectify. Beyond the lifters, shutting down cylinders creates thermal imbalances across the engine block, where some cylinders stay hot while others cool down, leading to uneven piston ring wear and increased oil consumption. When those electronic motor mounts eventually fail due to the constant stress, you are looking at a $1,000 bill just to stop your dashboard from rattling, all to save a measly 1 or 2 miles per gallon on the highway. Feature number 6, huge touchscreens. Modern cars are becoming giant rolling smartphones, and that is not always a good thing. Many new vehicles now place climate controls, radio settings, seat adjustments. The problem is that touchscreens can freeze, lag, glitch, or stop responding completely. If the screen fails, you may lose access to important functions that used to be controlled by simple buttons. Unlike an old-fashioned radio knob or air conditioning switch, replacing a touchscreen system can cost thousands of dollars because it is connected to multiple vehicle systems. In some luxury cars, a failed infotainment screen can cost more than an engine repair on an older vehicle. A simple mechanical button can last decades, but a touchscreen may start causing problems much sooner. Feature number 7, air suspension. Air suspension can make a car ride like a cloud, but it is one of the most expensive and failure-prone features you can own. Instead of using traditional metal springs, air suspension systems use airbags, compressors, lines, and sensors. As the car ages, the airbags can crack, leak, or fail completely. When this happens, the car may sit unevenly, ride harshly, or lower itself overnight. Air suspension repairs are notoriously expensive. Replacing a single air strut can cost over $1,000, while a full system replacement can easily exceed $4,000 to $6,000. That is why many owners of older luxury vehicles eventually convert their air suspension back to traditional coil springs. Simpler suspension systems are usually far more durable and affordable. Feature number 8, gasoline direct injection engines. Direct injection was a revolution for power and efficiency, spraying fuel directly into the combustion chamber at pressures exceeding 2,000 pounds per square inch. However, it removed a crucial self-cleaning feature of older port injection engines. In older engines, the detergents in your fuel would wash over the valves, keeping them pristine. But in a direct injection engine, the valves are only exposed to dry air and oily PCV vapors. Over time, these vapors bake onto the hot intake valves, forming a thick black carbon crust that chokes the engine's breathing and causes misfires, power loss, and poor fuel economy, often in as little as 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Fixing this requires a specialized walnut blasting service, where a technician literally sprays crushed walnut shells into your intake to scrub the valves clean. And it can cost anywhere from $600 to $1,200 every few years just to maintain factory performance levels. Feature number 9, the myth of the 10,000-mile oil change. Perhaps the most dangerous feature of a modern car is not a part, but a piece of advice found in the owner's manual: the 10,000 or 15,000 mile oil change interval. Manufacturers push these extended intervals to lower TCO ratings used by magazines and fleet buyers, but for long-term reliability, it is a disaster. Modern turbocharged engines are incredibly hard on oil, shearing the molecules down and contaminating the fluid with carbon and fuel dilution much faster than old-school V8s. When oil stays in an engine too long, it begins to form sludge, which plugs the tiny oil passages that feed the turbo and the timing chain tensioners. If you want your engine to see its 10th birthday, you should ignore the marketing and stick to a cheap insurance interval of 5,000 miles, regardless of what the digital dashboard says. Feature number 10, panoramic sunroofs. Panoramic sunroofs are one of the most attractive features in modern vehicles, but they can become a nightmare as the car gets older. These large glass roofs add a lot of extra weight to the top of the vehicle, which can hurt handling and increase body flex over time. Some panoramic roof systems can add more than 100 pounds to the car. The biggest issue, however, is water leakage. Sunroof drains can become clogged with dirt, leaves, or debris, allowing water to leak into the cabin. Repair costs can become extremely expensive if water reaches sensitive electronics. The large glass panels can also crack from road vibrations, extreme temperatures, or small impacts. Replacing a panoramic roof can cost thousands of dollars, which is why many experienced buyers avoid them completely. Feature number 12, keyless entry and push-button start. Keyless entry and push-button start systems may feel luxurious, but they add a lot of electronic complexity to a vehicle. These systems rely on sensors, electronic key fobs, wireless communication modules, and immobilizer systems. If any one of these components fails, the car may refuse to unlock or start. A dead key fob battery can leave drivers stranded, especially if they do not know where the emergency backup key is located. Push-button start systems can also develop ignition module failures that prevent the car from recognizing the key. Older ignition systems were simple, cheap, and reliable. Modern keyless systems may be convenient, but they create more opportunities for electronic failure and expensive repairs. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car-saving tip. Also, comment below and tell me which modern car feature you think is the biggest reliability killer.